Hey guys, welcome to Project Todd, and today we're going to be installing this lip skirt protector. This thing is basically like the poor man's lip splitter. It's a fraction of the price. This thing's under $30. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, so I figured we'd use my car as a guinea pig and see how it looks. The tools we're going to be needing are, I'm going to use cleaning spray underneath the lip right here, and then some alcohol, a pair of scissors, and this has already got 3M tape to it. First step is to rub down the bottom of the bumper, a little rubbing alcohol, and this is going to let the 3M tape bond better. Guys, we're just going to peel off this double-sided tape. Like so. And try and very carefully line it up. So last thing we're going to do to finish this off is we're going to, or second last thing, is going to cut this straight as we can. There she is, guys. I lied. This lip was only $11.99. I'll put a link in the bio. I'm pretty impressed, but leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. This thing did come with self-tapping screws. I'm not going to put them in yet, though, because I want to see if I really like how this looks on the car. If so, I'll throw those self-tapping screws in. However, I did read a couple reviews that said they weren't really needed, and it does take 72 hours for the 3M tape to fully adhere to the bumper. So, cheers guys. We'll see you later.